It's quick and easy to create an event in schoolBic. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to create free and paid events in schoolBic and discuss some of the features available with the event module. Admin or any employee user with access to the full permission of the event module will be able to create an event using the event module. From the overview of the event dashboard, you will be able to see all of the events created in the system and their information. You can easily see subscribers of an event by clicking on the event registration function from here. You can see subscribed users and their payment status if the event is a paid event, along with the date the user subscribed to the event. For a free event, it will look like this, with an indication that the event is free. You can delete or edit an event by clicking this button respectively. There is an export function to export event data via XLSX, XLS, HTML, CSV, and PDF files. Also, there is an advanced search button to quickly look up for an event. To create an event, click the Add Event button. Enter the event title, description, event location. You can type the event location as a string or pick the location on the Google map. Target which user role the event is created for. You can create an event for specific user roles like parent-only event or teachers-only event, and so on, or an event for every members. For creating an all-members event, select the All User selection while. For a specific user role event, use the Custom User Role function to select a specific user role in the system. Only this user role will see the event on their portal and be able to register for the event. You can add agendas to an event by clicking the Add New Role. Enter the agenda title, start and end time of the agenda. Remove an agenda route by clicking the Bin button. Select if the event is paid or free. If it's a paid event, you'd have to enter the event fee and its title. Different fee charges can be added for a paid event. Remove a fee route by clicking the Bin button. Enter the start and end time of the event. You can upload an image to an event. You can select who the event coordinators is. You can make an event active or inactive in your website front end. You are using or CMS better known as school website, and click the Add Event button to create your event. Let's see how the event looks like from the parent, students, or other users' role perspective. So I will log into a parent portal. The parent and other users will be able to see event allocated at them from their school calendar. Also, event can be seen from the event module, and clicking on an event will show further details of that event, such as event title, description, who is the event coordinators are. Read event agenda. If the event is a paid event, user will see the various fee and can subscribe to the event by clicking here and select his preferred subscription as defined by the event creator. When a user decides to subscribe to an event, automatically the system will create an invoice for payment with a success message. As seen on the screen, this invoice is generated and available on the user's invoice history to make payment for the event. The event location can also be seen. Also, there is a comment section and a function to add an event to your Google Calendar by simply clicking the Add to Calendar button. If you have any questions or further support, kindly contact us. You can learn more about the configuration of this module by visiting our software documentation page. Thank you.